Jeff D here, everybody. I figure I'm at the next step in this computer streaming game room that I'm creating for my wife and myself. I just figured I'd go on the next step and show you. The walls still need to be painted. Let me go this way so that way I can keep everything in view. Spackling's all been done. Applied texture to it. That orange one's a low voltage outlet box. That's going to be for network cables. That one side of it's just a blank junction box, so I can extend out from my outlet over there without having to rip open the walls to gain access to the power lines from the first outlet. Consulted with an electrician, and according to NEC code, it's legit, so I'm happy. Previously, I had moved a light switch, which was located on the other side in what will soon to be a spare bedroom again, and move that onto this side. Have that all done up. This is gonna be my little area over there where I'm gonna make a custom table for myself and my wife. Set up for my streaming area. A little section right there which I have to go and do textured ceiling, but for right now, let me flip this light off of here so you don't get all that glare. Oh, that's much better. If you take notice, without me actually going up on a little footstool, the plaster that's up there, spackling compound, is cracking. Now, the reason for that is that piece of drywall is actually extended down from the ceiling about 5/8 of an inch because it is covering up the tie plate, which ties in both ceiling joists. Oh, there's 3 ceiling joists on both sides of this, and there's also 3 roof rafters, which they're all tied in to a it's the opposite of a sill plate. I forget it's the header, I do believe it's called. And that just covers it up because I don't want to remove that plate because that'll take away the structural integrity of my roof. Yeah, we don't get no snow or something like that down here of any significance. But I just don't want to go and disrupt the integrity of our roof. I got enough headaches to worry about instead of adding more to it. But we'll get that all textured up. After that drywall, I'm going to give it one more day for that spackling up in that drywall. It needs to dry all the way through. And I'll put another coat, maybe a second coat of spackling on there to totally seal it up. That way it'll look nice once I get the popcorn ceiling put onto there. But we got us a nice square corner here, wall. Actually, what I did bottom last time I was talking about, I don't know what I'm going to do about this not square corner. What I actually did was take the spackling, feather it out to give it as flat of a surface as I could, so that once the hardwood flooring gets put in, I'm going to go and put new molding around the entire room. Like you can see, there's none in here right now. Not going to reuse the old molding. If we're going to go through the trouble and the expense to make this room look nice, I want the whole room to look nice, just not the floor. We need to have more than just the floor looking good. Of course, the carpet's going to be out of here. And then, of course, I got the second little, this is going to be for my wife's side of the room. Let me go and back myself up here a little bit. And I'm going to actually take the metal frame of her current computer table, take the top and everything else off of it, put her in her chair, take a piece of quarter-inch Luan and start cutting out to make the shape to be exactly what she wants. So she'll be happy with what she has. And of course, we'll have still going to keep the closet in here. That's store all kinds of miscellaneous stuff and everything. And of course, the remainder of the let's see, we got 2 file cabinets, chest of drawer, a nightstand, and a vanity, which will be going into the future spare bedroom. And as I progress to the next step, I'll make another video, give you an update. Till then, have a nice day.